Hey, all friends, good evening. Today, being a Sunday evening, we have come out and come to the terrace of my in laws. They have a wonderful garden on top of their roof, and I'll just take you through the plants that they have here. Uh, so, the combination that they have is of medicinal plus some vegetables plus some ornamental plants. Uh, there are some vastu plants as well. Uh, Here we see that there is a mango tree bonsai. So the stem actually is from an old mango tree and has eventually grown some branches, and some leaves have also sprouted out from it. Uh, we see that there is some amazing creativity by my in-law, and he has hung some pot holder using wires. This gives a really good feel to the entire place. So if you look at it from afar, we see that there's some more creativity to it. There is a half tire that we have, which is also used as a plant holder. There are a lot of plants inside it, and it's really creative as to how people think on what all can be used to keep plants, and I think we can draw some inspiration there. There's some water here that is kept by him to feed birds that arrived on the terrace. Other than that, we have some vegetable plants. Vegetable plants would be, so this is chow chow. I don't know how many of you have heard of it, but it's a very popular uh, vegetable here in Bangalore. Apart from all of those, we also have a bonsai that is there. So this is a people tree bonsai. Sorry, cut that. So this is a banyan tree bonsai. You can see that he has arranged some stones at the root, and it's kept in a plastic vessel, and there are some leaves that have come out of it, and the height remains stunted, and hence you can keep it in your background in your garden, and it's an appealing look to the overall garden. We have some plants that I've not seen earlier, and there's this plant that has red leaves. uh, so contrary to what we think chlorophyll is necessary for plants to live, there's some plants that don't have chlorophyll at all and still are surviving and thriving. There's one another plant that has greenish backgrounds, greenish borders, and with a base of red. This also looks really pretty. We have another tomato plant here. We don't see tomatoes yet. We have some more tomatoes there, so I'll take you to those things just now.